Hello students, today we are going to learn very important topic of grammar, voice. There are two type of voice. First one is active voice and passive voice. Active voice and second one is passive voice. These are the two types of voice. Now here I will write two sentences. Ram helps Hari, and second sentence is Hari is helped by Ram. Now these two sentences express the same meaning, but in sentence 1, see the sentence 1, Ram helps Hari, the form of verb helps, form of verb shows that the subject does something. Which is the subject over here? Ram. Ram is doing something. Means here verb shows that subject does something. Okay. Here subject acts. So sentence first, this first sentence is called, it is a active. So it is called active voice. It is, first sentence is in a active voice because subject is a active. Okay. Now see in the second sentence, the form of verb help shows that something is done to the subject. Something is, which is subject now here? Hari is the subject. Okay. And it shows that something is done to the subject. Means subject is not active. So this second sentence is called, it is a passive voice. Okay. First one is the active voice because subject is active, and in second sentence subject is not active. So it is called passive voice. Okay, got it? Now see, one more example we'll take. Nitin threw the ball. Okay. Now here Nitin threw the ball. Here in this sentence you can see Nitin. Nitin is the subject. Okay. And which is the object? The ball. The ball is the object. Means here the action passes from subject to object. Subject to object. So this sentence is active voice. Means subject is active. Okay. Now if the sentence is in this way, the ball was thrown by Nitin, then here the subject, which is the subject now? Now the ball is the subject, and here Nitin is the object. Okay. Now here subject is not active, but action is done to it. Action is done on the subject. Okay. So this is the passive voice, and first one is this is the active voice. Okay. Now students, we'll see that how to change the voice, means how to change the active voice into passive voice. Okay. Here some rules are given. Bring the object to the subject position. Just now we have done here. This is the active voice. Nitin threw the ball. Here object is the ball. First rule is bring the object to the subject position. See, here object comes in a subject position. Okay. Now next, change the verb to the passive form. Now which is the verb here? Threw. Threw is the verb. Now change the verb to the passive form. Was thrown. This verb has changed to the passive form. Was thrown. Now put word by after the verb. This word. We have after the verb. This word by has come over here. Okay. Now next rule is take the subject after the verb with the word by before it. Means take the subject. Which is the subject? Nitin is the subject. Okay, now we are going to take this subject last, means after the verb, but before that byword should be there. Okay, so students, these are the rules to change the voice. So according to these rules, we will see how to change verb phrases from active voice to the passive voice. Okay. Now students, here some sentences are given and these all sentences are in a active voice. Now we are going to change it to the passive voice. Okay, we are going to follow these rules. First, Jimmy bought the watch. Okay, now first rule is bring the object to the subject position. Now here, which is the object first? See, this is the object and Jimmy is the subject. Okay, bring the object to the subject position, means first we are going to write the watch, object, the watch. Now change the verb to the passive form. Bought, was bought. The watch was bought. Then put by, and after that take the subject to the after the verb. This is the subject, bought by Jimmy. Okay, this sentence is in the passive voice. Okay, now next one. The teacher has announced the results. Okay, now here, which is the first, we should know which is the object. This is the object and the teacher is the subject. So first rule is that take the object first. The results has announced, it will come have been announced, have been announced. After the verb by, then subject, which is the subject over here, the teacher. Okay, now third, the people shall choose their leader. Now here leader is the object over here. Then leader shall choose, will be chosen by the people. Okay, now next, the squirrels eat the nuts on the trees. Now here, which is the object over here? Here the nuts on the tree, the nuts on the trees. Nuts on the trees. Eat are eaten by the squirrels. Okay, last sentence, the watchman opened the gate. Okay, now here this is the object, take the object first. The gate, opened, change the verb into the passive form, was opened. Then after the verb byword by, then write down this subject. Which is the subject here? The watchman. The subject will come in the object position. Okay, got it? Now in this way, according to by following these rules, we can change the sentence active voice into passive, or passive also we can change it into the active voice. Okay.